What if studying abroad could give you more than just a degree? What if it could introduce you to a new culture, new opportunities, and a completely different way of experiencing the world? China could be the place where your next chapter begins. China has become an increasingly popular destination for international students, offering a wide range of programs in fields such as business, engineering, medicine, technology, and many more. With modern universities, advanced facilities, and an international learning environment, students can gain knowledge and skills that can prepare them for a global career. Another reason to consider China is affordability. Compared with some popular study destinations, many Chinese cities can offer more manageable costs for tuition, accommodation, food, and transportation. There are also scholarship opportunities available for qualified international students, making studying abroad more accessible. But studying in China isn't only about what happens inside the classroom. Imagine spending your free time exploring busy streets, trying authentic Chinese food, visiting historical landmarks, or simply enjoying everyday life in a new environment. China is home to thousands of years of history and culture. From ancient temples and traditional festivals to modern cities filled with technology and innovation, you can experience the contrast between tradition and modern life every day. Living and studying in China can also help you develop skills beyond your academic degree. Being exposed to a different culture can improve your communication, independence, adaptability, and global perspective qualities that can be valuable when building a career in an increasingly connected world. Relocating to another country may feel challenging at first. You'll be learning a new environment, meeting new people, and possibly experiencing a language barrier. But those challenges can also become part of your growth. You don't just return home with a diploma, you return with experiences, memories, and a stronger sense of independence. So if you're looking for a place where you can pursue your education, experience a new culture, explore exciting cities, and prepare yourself for a global future, maybe it's time to look beyond the familiar. Your journey could start in China. Let Antonov and partners help you take the next step toward studying and building your future in China. Start your journey today and let your future take you further.